Uttarakhand, often referred to as Devbhoomi or the land of gods, is one of the most scenic and spiritually rich states in India. Nestled in the lap of the Himalayas, Uttarakhand is home to breathtaking landscapes, ancient temples, serene hill stations, thrilling adventure spots, and rich biodiversity. Whether you are a spiritual seeker, a nature lover, or an adventure enthusiast, Uttarakhand offers a unique experience for every traveler. In this video, we will take you on an elaborate journey through the best tourist destinations in Uttarakhand, covering religious sites, hill stations, national parks, adventure hubs, and hidden gems that you must explore. Char Dham Yatra, the spiritual circuit. Uttarakhand is famous for its Char Dham Yatra, one of the holiest pilgrimages in Hinduism. This includes 4 sacred shrines. Yamunotri, the source of the Yamuna river. Yamunotri is home to the revered Yamunotri temple dedicated to goddess Yamuna. Pilgrims trek through scenic landscapes and hot water springs like Surikund to seek blessings. Gangotri, the origin of the sacred Ganga river. Gangotri is an important religious site. The Gangotri temple, located at 3,100 meters above sea level, attracts devotees from all over India. Kedarnath, one of the 12 Jyotirlingas, Kedarnath temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Situated at an altitude of 3,583 meters, it is surrounded by snow-capped peaks and offers a spiritual yet adventurous experience. Badrinath, dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Badrinath is one of the most important Hindu pilgrimage sites. The Badrinath temple, located between the Naryo and Narayan mountain ranges, is an architectural wonder. Rishikesh, the yoga capital of the world. Rishikesh is known for its serene Ganges ghats, yoga ashrams, and adventure spots. Must-visit places include Triveni Ghat, a sacred bathing spot with mesmerizing Ganga Aarti; Ram Jhula and Lakshman Jhula, iconic suspension bridges offering scenic views; the Beatles Ashram, famous for its connection with the Beatles band; Neelkanth Mahadev Temple, a revered temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. Adventure lovers can enjoy river rafting, bungee jumping, cliff jumping, and trekking. Haridwar, the gateway to the gods. Haridwar is one of the oldest and holiest cities in India. Har Ki Pauri is the main attraction, where thousands gather to witness the Ganga Aarti. Other key attractions: Manasa Devi Temple, a sacred shrine atop Bilwa Parvat; Chandi Devi Temple, a famous Shakti Peeth; Daksh Mahadev Temple, associated with Hindu mythology. The Kumbh Mela, held every 12 years, attracts millions of pilgrims. Mussoorie, the Queen of Hills, one of the most popular hill stations in India. Mussoorie offers stunning views of the Himalayas. Top attractions: Kempati Falls, a breathtaking waterfall perfect for a picnic; Gun Hill, a cable car ride to witness panoramic views; Mall Road, a lively place for shopping and cafes; Lal Tibba, the highest point in Mussoorie offering stunning views; Nainital, the city of lakes. Nainital is a picturesque hill station famous for its lakes, colonial charm, and cool climate. Attractions include Naini Lake, a beautiful lake where visitors can enjoy boating; Naina Devi Temple, a revered Hindu temple; Snow Viewpoint, a great spot to see the Himalayan peaks; the Mall Road, a vibrant market for shopping and dining; Jim Corbett National Park, a wildlife paradise. Jim Corbett National Park is India's oldest national park, known for its Royal Bengal tigers. Visitors can go on jeep safaris and elephant rides to spot tigers, elephants, deer, and leopards. Other attractions include Garjia Devi Temple and Corbett Waterfall. 7. Oli, a skiing paradise. Oli is one of the best skiing destinations in India, offering breathtaking views of the Nanda Devi and Trishul peaks. Visitors can enjoy skiing and snowboarding in winter. The Oli Ropeway, India's second longest cable car ride, Gurso Bugyal, a stunning meadow offering panoramic views. Chopta, the mini Switzerland of India. Chopta is an offbeat hill station known for its lush meadows and trekking routes. Must-visit places include Tungnath Temple, the highest Shiva temple in the world. Chandrashila Peak, a scenic trek with 360-degree Himalayan views. Valley of Flowers, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in the Chamoli district. The Valley of Flowers is a breathtaking national park filled with rare alpine flowers. It is also home to endangered species like the snow leopard and Himalayan musk deer. Hemkund Sahib, a sacred Sikh shrine. Hemkund Sahib is one of the highest gurudwaras in the world, surrounded by 7 snow-clad peaks. Pilgrims undertake a challenging yet rewarding trek to reach this holy site. 11. Munsiari, the gateway to the Himalayas, a paradise for trekkers and nature lovers. Munsiari offers breathtaking views of the Panchachuli peaks. Popular activities include trekking to Khadian Top and Birathi Falls. Kausani, the Switzerland of India. Kausani is famous for its tea gardens, Himalayan views, and peaceful ambience. The Anasakti Ashram, where Mahatma Gandhi stayed, is a major attraction. Ranikhet, a peaceful hill retreat. Ranikhet offers serene landscapes, golf courses, and colonial era charm. Top spots include Jhula Devi Temple, Chaubatia Orchards, and Bhaludam. So, if you are planning your next trip, Uttarakhand should be on your travel bucket list. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel videos.